Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you own the required room card or have custom room privileges. That's the only way to make a private arena. Open the Bgmi lobby, tap Custom Room, then create room immediately. Once done, pick Arena as the mode, select the map and player count, and set a password so only invited players can join. You do this because a private room isolates practice conditions and preserves match settings for consistent training. Now configure the detailed rules so practice mirrors your goals. Change loot density, spawn locations, time limits, and enable or disable friendly fire. Once settings are locked, invite teammates directly or copy and share the room ID and password. That's how players enter securely. If available, add spectator slots or enable bots to populate the arena for drills. You change these options because controlled variables let you rehearse. Finally, start the match and run the design drills, timed aim routines, entry practice, grenade setups, and rotation drills. Make sure you use the spectator or free camera to observe teammates and record important rounds for review. If players can't join, rehost the room, verify the room card hasn't expired, and confirm everyone's client and region match. Reissuing the room ID often fixes join errors. This step completes the loop and keeps your arena usable for repeated sessions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.